In this short tutorial, I will show you how to find out the country of an Instagram account. Knowing the country of an account can provide valuable information about its origin and help in various situations. By following a few simple steps, you can easily check the country associated with an Instagram account. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to any Instagram profile. You can search for them, or you can select an account from the home page. Once you are on their profile, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap About this account. Now you'll be able to see information about this account, such as when they joined Instagram, where the account is based, and when they got verified on Instagram. This is exactly how you can see the country of an Instagram account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.